So I'm here again, and this is a very first video after a long time, and I like to be sort with the short videos and I would say answer to the question regarding that ADFS is really necessary in the exam or not. I would say no, it's not really related to that exam. One of my subscriber asked me about that ADFS is really necessary for understanding in the exam. I would say no, but by the way, you need to understand how that Active Directory works there and how you can use that Active Directory actually with some kind of RBAC method in here, and you have to know that how you can join that join the ESXi and vCenter to the I would say Active Directory domain, and know the process where you have to look at inside the vCenter configuration or each ESXi host, and after that you can simply answer each question which is related to the RBAC. And also here we have the actually objects for RBAC configuration, like that object 7.5 that configure role-based access control or RBAC, and you need to know that how RBAC works there.